Hey, welcome to lesson number 6. On this lesson, we're going to be creating the profile screen. So let's take this dashboard screen and duplicate it with Ctrl and J and make sure to rename it to profile screen. So if we take a look at our wireframe, we can see that we have our own profile pic with our name. We could have maybe like our followings and our followers, and below this we're going to have a shortcut to our friends profiles, kind of maybe 3 or 4 or 5 friends shortcut, and then we have our own posts. So let's start designing this. You can use some of this dashboard screen stuff, not everything of course. Let's remove this post, remove this profile, and we could use this rectangle here we could use this post right here, remove whatever you don't need. We could use this profile here, and of course we are going to use the same navigation and toolbar. So turn off this layer first, we don't need it right now. Remove this because it's just our name. Let's call ourselves James Jones, and let's create a new rectangle which will be 300 pixels high and we should make it very light gray. Perfect. And now let's set the followings at the followers so that we could see how we are doing on the social network. So let's make these followers let's set this to 18 points, and on top of it we're going to write a number, could be 605 followers, and set this to let's see, 60 points. Great. Now duplicate this and change followers to followings, and let's set this to 500 5500. So we can know a little more about ourselves. Of course we have to change our profile pic because this is John Smith picture. So select our profile pic and let's throw this guy's image here. Control select the layer, control click, and add layer mask. And now you can fix it to your convenience. Now below our name we should have a little bio make it 18 points, and let's just add I am a graphic designer. Perfect. Now if we take a look at our wireframe, we can see that we have a shortcut to our friends' profiles. So to make this, just grab this same profile pic and place it all the way here, but let's make it a little smaller, maybe 1500 pixels, and make some duplicates. You could have like 5 of them. Just select all of them and click this button to distribute it horizontally. Now of course we have to change our friend's profile pic. I'm going to skip this part because you know how to do this already. So now I have all my friends shortcut to profile here, and according to our wireframe, now we should create the post, our own post. So let's grab this right here, this post that we had shut off, and let's place it over here. Now create some duplicates to fill the screens, all the way to here. Of course, in this case our toolbar should be on top so that this doesn't happen. Perfect. Now it's time to change our post. Let's change this one first. Let's place this image, and you know the drill. Just scale it up or down and control click on the layer and add layer mask. The same here. Control click, add layer mask, and finally here. Perfect. So now we have our set of posts. Of course, you can scroll and scroll and you will see plenty of posts, all of our own posts. So grab these ones and now to end this profile screen, let's give it some color. Let's take this rectangle here and make it the same yellow or kind of orange color from here. Set it to the foreground color, background color, and Control Shift backspace. Now let's make these types white. Select, you can either go to the type menu and select the color, or it's easier if you put the foreground color to white and just start alt backspacing everything here. Also, the followers and followings could be here, on the middle. And now we have a nice profile screen with our name, our bio, our followers and followings, a shortcut to our friends' profiles, and all of our posts. You can see that it was really easy to make. So let's create our final screen, which will be our friends list screen, which will be very easy to create. See you in the next lesson.